Welcome back to Plantopedia. Subscribe to join our growing library of weekly master guides. Our bedrooms should be ultimate sanctuaries, but stale air, synthetic fabrics, and daily stress often turn them into high-anxiety spaces that disrupt our sleep. Fortunately, certain plants are biologically optimized to purify the air and produce oxygen even after the sun goes down. Here are 5 calming plants to transform your bedroom. First is the snake plant. Unlike most houseplants that release carbon dioxide at night, the snake plant utilizes a unique metabolic process called crassulacean acid metabolism, or CAM, allowing it to produce oxygen all night long. This continuous nighttime oxygen production actively improves bedroom air quality while you sleep, creating a fresh, clean breathing environment that promotes deeper rest. It requires almost zero effort to maintain, thriving in low bedroom light and needing water only when the soil is completely dry. While this plant works silently through the night, our next selection brings a soft, elegant touch to elevate your room's tranquility. That elegant solution is the peace lily. With its deep green foliage and serene white blooms, it acts as an excellent organic filter, absorbing common indoor toxins like benzene and formaldehyde. It also naturally boosts room humidity by up to 5%, which can help soothe dry sinuses and respiratory passages during the night. The peace lily is incredibly communicative. It will visibly droop when it needs a drink and bounce back quickly after watering. We will look at a simple lighting trick to keep those white blooms coming. But first, if you suffer from dust or allergies, this next trailing plant is a bedroom essential. Plantopedia has launched a new home for your indoor garden. Visit our site to explore our curated toolkit for daily maintenance, alongside our growing library of downloadable care guides. We add new professional-grade PDFs to the shop every single week to help you manage your collection. See the full collection at the link in the description or in the pinned comment of this video. Let's keep your plants settled. The English ivy is a powerhouse for allergy sufferers. Studies have shown that its dense, trailing foliage can significantly reduce airborne mold particulates and dust in enclosed spaces within just a few hours. Hanging it from a ceiling hook or cascading down a tall chest of drawers keeps your floor space clean while allowing its leaves to clear the air at head height. It prefers cooler ambient temperatures, making it a perfect match for a climate-controlled bedroom. However, if you want to turn a bare corner into a soft, whispering screen of green, a larger palm is the ultimate choice. For a true relaxation oasis, the Areca palm is unmatched. Its large, feathery fronds soften the sharp angles of bedroom furniture, introducing a gentle, flowing texture that instantly lowers stress levels. The Areca palm is a massive transpirer, releasing literal liters of moisture into the air every week, functioning as a beautiful, silent, and completely natural humidifier. To keep its delicate fronds vibrant, place it in a spot with bright, indirect light. We will touch on how to protect its root system from stagnation in a moment, but next is a compact healer that guards your sleep with ease. Finally, we have aloe vera. Much like the snake plant, this resilient succulent hoards carbon dioxide and pumps out fresh oxygen during the late-night hours. Its clean, geometric silhouette looks beautiful on a minimalist bedside table or window ledge, providing a peaceful visual anchor right where you wake up. As a bonus, keeping one in your bedroom means you always have fresh, soothing gel on hand for minor burns or skin irritations. It is a highly self-sufficient companion that asks for nothing but direct sunlight. At Plantopedia, we appreciate these calming species for their bold presence and their ability to restore balance to our most personal spaces. If this guide helped you understand your space better, consider joining the Plantopedia community by subscribing. We release new master guides every week to help you grow with confidence. By matching the low water needs of your bedside succulents with the regular misting your palms love, you're not just decorating a room, you're building a thriving, living masterpiece. Give your collection the care it deserves. This video is part of Plantopedia's growing plant library on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.